This 2023 Grand Design Reflection 315 RLTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps floor, water heater, TV, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, awning, spare tire kit, smoke detector, microwave, refrigerator, skylight, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bath, front bedroom, front dinette, kitchen island, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Reflection 315 RLTS is 9,513 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.